What's going on, my peeps? I hope everybody's doing good. We are currently trying to restore this carbon fiber hood. As you can see, it is looking rough. The clear coat has failed tremendously. It's even, yeah, it's peeling. So yeah, guys, it's not easy, guys. I am currently in the sanding phase, and I'm using 400. I had to go a little lower than I wanted to, but yeah, guys, this is pretty much done. As you can see, that's how it's gonna look once it's cleared. Car's a mess, yo, the car's a mess. But yeah, guys, we still got a lot of wet sanding to do. 400 grit again. I'll probably put a picture of how this area looked before. And yeah, guys, we still have a lot. But slowly but surely, guys,